Hey guys, Jim Edwards here. This is take 2 of letting the chickens out with Jim. The chickens are out, which is helpful for letting the chickens out. So what I want to talk to you about today is video tips, how to make your videos better. And I'm not talking about hold your camera up like this so it makes me look like I have bigger cleavage and I'm skinnier than I might normally be, but rather some things that I have learned about making videos that can help you make better videos quickly with your phone. So the number one thing you can do is talk about 10% faster than you normally talk, which is good for me because typically I talk like I'm from down south and it's kind of like waiting for paint to dry to listen. So if you talk about 10% faster, that will help you to convey excitement, and excitement is important, right, chickens? They're eating. So the second thing you can do is talk about 10% louder. And what that's going to do is help convey importance. Damn, mosquitoes are after me. You just witnessed a murder on Facebook Live. I just killed a mosquito with total impunity. So talk about 10% louder, and that will convey importance. What else is important with your videos? Try and keep it around 3 or 4 points, because that'll help you to stay organized. If you start going off into the top 10 of this or the top 20 of this, it's hard for you to stay organized, especially when you're doing Facebook Live. Also, try and keep it around 2 to 4 minutes, because you might think that you're going fast, but other people are like, damn, is he going to get to the point? And have fun. That would be my 5th tip, because if you're having fun, then your videos will be infectious. And I'm going to give you one more bonus tip, okay? And this is something I actually learned by watching Russell Brunson, who does really good videos, and that is to do the Facebook wave and to do kind of a hey everybody, that kind of a thing. And the first thing, they're like boom, instead of just kind of starting your video like this, like hey everybody, welcome to another edition of letting the chickens out with Jim, even though they're all the way across the driveway and we've transitioned to walking on the driveway with Jim. So anyway, those are some cool tips that will help you make your videos better, just quickly, naturally, nothing really to think about. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'm gonna go work out. And the other thing you can do to make your videos more enticing is to start growing an epic beard. People have been asking me how long am I going to let this thing get, and I think I'm going to let it get down to like right about here, and then I'm going to like cut it off straight and see what it looks like. So if you can grow an epic beard, that definitely helps with your videos. Just letting you know, ladies, you can do it. So everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.